It might finally be time for me to get rid of my beautiful xTool F1. Let me tell you why. So the xTool F2 has been announced, it's been released, and people are now receiving it, and it got me really excited. So as you've probably all seen lately, xTool have been really smashing out the lasers. The F2 Ultra came out, the F2 came out. Today they actually announced the new UV laser, which also looks brilliant. But of all the lasers, I will be completely honest with you, the F2 got me the most excited. And let me tell you exactly why that is. So anyone that's ever seen me doing my earlier content where I did a lot of live engraving sessions, or I did a lot of maintenance videos, a lot of cool engraving videos, you'll realize it was with this beauty right here. And I've had this one since the beginning, okay? I love it, I just absolutely love it. There's always been a couple of little tiny bits that I just didn't like about it, but I always accepted because it was such a workhorse, it was so reliable, and it was so versatile. The first one, a light inside, and let me show you what I did to do that. So Velf Creations, any of you guys who know Velf Creations, he came up with a great little hack for an O-light, which you could put it on a magnet and put it in there, and you close it and it would give you an internal light. That was something I did because I really wanted to be able to see what I was engraving and record it for you guys. The other thing was obviously a camera. There was no camera on it. I accepted it at first, it was all I knew. Then I got the F1 Ultra, and then it was hard to go back to not having a camera. However, it was one thing I thought to myself, all they would have to do to make this, in my eyes, the perfect laser would be to put a light inside and to put a camera on it. Well, they've done that, and they've gone some on top of that because they've increased the infrared and they've increased the diode. And to me, that is brilliant. That has just raised an already near perfect top tier laser to top tier, if you can get there. And it makes me so excited, and it's why I think I'm finally gonna have to bite the bullet. I haven't bought the F2 Ultra, I haven't ordered the UV, but I think I will buy the F2, and it's because I just love it so much. And the reason I love it, why do I love it? Well, one thing I love the removable base plate. All you guys know I love to make jigs, I make riser stands for it, I make lots of things for it, but the reason I like that is because you've got the option of really making your streamlined processes great to get into. You can do business cards, you can do all of these kind of things on the desk right here easily by just putting a jig straight in there. I also love the fact you can lift it off, put it on top of stuff and engrave onto that. Another great feature. But the reason I love this so much is because in my eyes, it's the perfect beginner machine. There are so many people that have got into laser engraving thanks to that machine right there. And I think it's still got so much life left in it. And what I will say is anyone watching this, if you're considering getting the xTool F1, because it is a little bit cheaper than the F2, not that much because I was surprised the low price of the F2, then I would highly recommend it. It's such a great machine. It's so good at doing metal, so good at doing levers, it's so good at doing everything you can think of. But if you have a little bit more budget, I think you have to go for the F2. And the reason I say that is because that extra power, the extra speed. So I think it's got a 15 watt diode laser on it now. That means you can get slightly darker engravings, and with the 6,000 millimeter second of speed, that's gonna allow you to really speed up the processing. But with that 5 watt IR as well, that is gonna do some really great contrast in black marks. And if you can afford the little bit, I probably would go for the F2 now. I'm looking at upgrading to the F2 myself. I was excited, I wanted to tell you guys about it, and I wanted to hear what you guys thought about it. If you've got the F2, let me know what you think about it. If you don't, then are you thinking of getting it? But all I know is I think I have to finally move on. When I do get it, I promise you guys I'll be doing a review on it and I'll be letting you know exactly what I think. But I just wanted to get my excitement out there and let you guys know what I thought. So anyway, put down in the comments what you think. If you're looking at buying one, check out the affiliate link down below. You don't have to go for it, but it does support the channel and I would love it. But most importantly, please just keep supporting the channel and watching the content because I really, really do appreciate it and it means the world. So thanks for watching and have a great day, guys.